Hi, now I am going to show you how to insert a input box in a recorded macro. You can record any macro and how to insert a input box. Okay, this is our Excel sheet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a dummy macro now. Input box, okay, macro for okay, then you see it is recording now, and I just stop recording. There is nothing, no action at all, just a dummy macro. Go and edit. Okay, this is my macro. Okay, whatever you recorded, you just put there. Okay, now I'm going to enter input box. Okay, what you need to put is what is the input box, the prompt you are going to put it there. What do you want it from the user to enter or yourself to enter? Enter your name. Okay, what is the title? The input box title. And okay, just put your name, just to see what is the okay. The other things are optional, we can leave it as it is, as string. Okay, whatever the input they enter, it will become a string. So what you are going to do is you need to store it to a string variable, which is in this case I put a name. You can just leave it as it is because it itself is a string. It will assign, it will take a name as a string variable, but it is better, always good practice, to enter declare the variable. String. Okay, this is the way you're going to get the input from the in the front end. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to display this, whether it is got the input properly. Okay, I'll put a message box. I'll put welcome. Okay, and we need to use the and sign or the ampersand sign to concatenate two strings. Okay, that's all. Welcome, and whatever input they put it. Okay, now I save this macro. Now let's see, we will view the macros. You have a input macro. Okay, run it, enter your name. See, this is the title and this is the prompt. I put the name Alan. Okay, I enter my name, and okay, what happens? It gives the message back, welcome, the input Alan. Okay, this is the way you can enter. You put the input box to get the input from the user, or input the required input you can give, and use the macro to process from that input. Okay, thank you.